In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and view a PDF inside a ClickUp task from your creative project list. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently navigate from your main workspace all the way into the attached PDF. Even though this is a simple workflow, it's something you'll do often when working with creative briefs, contracts, or reference documents, so it's worth getting comfortable with the process. First, start by opening your ClickUp Workspace and heading to your creative project area. Make sure you're in the correct space and folder, then locate the list called Creative Project Plan. This list view is where you'll see all of your project tasks lined up, usually with columns like task name, assignee, due date, and status. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right list before going any further, because many workspaces have similar names, and it's easy to click into the wrong one. Once you're in the Creative Project Plan list, find the specific task you want to work with and click directly on its title. Clicking the title opens the Task Details panel, usually on the right side of your screen. This panel contains everything related to that task: descriptions, comments, attachments, and custom fields. If you accidentally click somewhere else, like the status or assignee field, just move back and click the title itself to open the full task view. Inside the task, you may see additional sections or nested items, such as subtasks or related links. If the PDF is associated with a particular sub-item, you might need to click on that title as well. Again, click the name of the subtask or document title to expand it. The key idea here is that anytime you want to see more detailed information, you'll usually do it by clicking the name or title. Next, look for the highlighted area that indicates an attachment or embedded file. This might appear as a small attachment section, an icon, or a strip showing the file name. Click on that highlighted attachment area to bring up more details about the file. If you hover over it, you should see that it's interactive. Finally, in the attachment preview, locate the file that is labeled as a PDF and click on it. This will open the PDF directly in ClickUp, either in a viewer or a new window, depending on your settings. From here, you can scroll, zoom, and review the document as needed, all without leaving your task.